going on, everybody? It's your host of the Morning Bit Podcast, Earl Davis, and we're doing another unboxing video. You know what it is. This is the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pros active noise canceling. Don't mind Moana going on in the background. My daughter's sitting here watching TV. So, doing this really quick video unboxing. This came out this month. Actually, at the end of September. This is Soundcore's new earbuds, which is retailing for $129. I paid $129 on Amazon. You can also get on Soundcore's website. And we'll go ahead and unbox this real quick. This is the active noise canceling, and I've been dying to get this one. I got the blue version, Liberty 4 Pros. This is their flagship active noise canceling with also water resistance. It is submergible from what I was told, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox. So here we go. Oops, it's already falling out the case, falling out the box. Let's see what we got here. We got some instructions, QR code also for more information if you want to go ahead online and check that out, as far as find out more information about the device, and some just sizing instruction on what type of sizes you want to use as far as the earbuds concerned. I'm also going to show you the edifiers that I'm actually using right now while I'm recording this, and give you a comparison to size. The edifiers, Neos, the Pros that I have. So we're going to go ahead and take this out. From what I understand, this is fingerprint magnet, but let's see what else is in the box. We have instructions. We never use those, but you know, we always try to figure out a way to find out how to use the device without using the instruction manual. And of course, we probably the basic stuff that comes in any type of earbuds. You know, of course, we're gonna have the charging cable inside. I'm not going to use this box again, so I'm just going to rip this thing open just so I can get this show on the road. Of course, some different size earbuds, because everybody's ears are not the same. And of course, we got the cord in there. So I doubt there's anything else in the box. So we're going to go ahead. Here's the cord right here. We're going to go ahead and get to the nitty gritty of it. I'm going to keep holding this just in case the size don't fit me. We're gonna get to the nitty gritty of this and what we came here for, but the unboxing, which came out, like I said, it's only a few weeks old. I've been dying the last week or two to get these, and I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and order these. It was Prime Week, didn't really see a discount on it, but I was like, all right, whatever, let's go ahead. So I got the glossy colored one, and here we go. You can actually see me in the reflection of this. This thing is so glossy, so shiny, and like I'm going to show you the size comparison to the edifier Neos right here, right next to it. These are the ones I'm actually using while I'm filming this video. Nice little light. This flips up and show you the beautiful earbuds itself. And it also has, it's trying to appear right now, but also has a little screen on there for you to see what you could do as far as connecting to your phone and different things, volume, taking a picture, stuff like that. You can also see it through the case itself. And it's just pretty much a screen. A lot of these companies, not like JBL, Lenovo is going with screen on the case. I was going to buy the Lenovo erasers, which is retailing for about $29 to $39. But I said, no, I like these Soundcores because I'm going for quality of the Soundcore. And I bought my girl for Christmas last year some Soundcores because she wanted some different earbuds besides her AirPods, and she wanted some different earbuds to use inside the house. I bought a Soundcore. I forgot which one it was in particular, but it was really inexpensive. It was about $29, $19. And I love the quality of it, and she did too. And she never likes anything but Apple products, and because of the fact that she liked the Soundcore so much and she used it to this day and it's going on a year, it says volumes to me, because that impresses her as far as technology other than Apple products. So I went ahead and got the Soundcores. These are my first Soundcores right here. So I'm dying to use these right here, connect them to the phone after this. I'm doing this right here and connect this and, you know, see the touchscreen, all this other stuff. My girl is ready to get up and ask for some more popcorn, so I'm not going to hold you on any longer. This was just a quick review, quick unboxing of the phone, of the earphones, earbuds itself. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you there with that. This is how it looks. If you're interested in purchasing this product and not sure on what it was you was getting yourself into, this is what my channel is about showing you unboxings and helping you with making a consumer purchase down the line. These, from what I understand, connect really well with iPhone products, so go ahead. Oh, actually, let me take it out the oh, it's magnetized. Let me show you the other fires to give you a connection, give you an understanding of the sizes, the symbols. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave you at that. My daughter's stirring up right now. I'm your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Deborah Davis. Talk to you later. Peace.